Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Simple English Space. I'm Anna, and today we're going to explore something very useful: English phrases for everyday life, from morning to night. Think about it. Every day, you wake up, you eat, you go to school or work, you meet people, you relax, and finally you go to sleep. At every step, there are simple English phrases you can use. Learning these will make your English sound natural and practical.
That's right, Anna. And here's the hook. If you know how to use the right phrase at the right time, English will no longer feel like a textbook. It will feel like your real life. Imagine greeting someone in the morning, asking politely for coffee, or saying goodnight in a natural way. By the end of this episode, you'll have a set of ready-to-use phrases for every moment of your day.
Exactly. Let's start at the beginning of the day. Morning time. When you wake up, the first phrases are often greetings. Instead of just saying hi, you can say good morning. This is a polite and friendly way to greet someone. You might also ask, how did you sleep? Or did you sleep well? These are common morning questions.
And don't forget small, polite phrases like, did you have breakfast yet? Or, what's your plan for today? These questions not only show care, but also help you start a simple conversation.
Right. Phrases for morning also include expressions like, I need a cup of coffee, or I'm getting ready for work. These are everyday sentences you can practice. Try to imagine your morning routine in English. You can say, I'm brushing my teeth, I'm taking a shower, or I'm leaving the house now.
Morning time is also when you often meet family members or roommates. So, learning these small phrases can make your English useful at home.
Let's move on to our first example conversation. This is between two roommates in the morning.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Morning. Yes, I slept okay. How about you?
I slept pretty well. I just need some coffee to wake up.
Same here. I can't start my day without coffee.
Did you have breakfast yet?
Not yet. I'm thinking of making some toast and eggs.
Oh, that sounds good. Can you make some for me too?
Sure, no problem. Do you want tea or coffee?
Coffee, please. Black, no sugar.
Got it. So, what's your plan for today?
I have work in the morning and a meeting in the afternoon. How about you?
I have class until noon, then I'll go grocery shopping.
Great. Let's eat quickly so we can start the day.
Agreed. Breakfast time.
That's a typical morning conversation. It's simple, but it covers greetings, food, and plans.
Yes, and notice how natural it sounds. Short sentences, polite requests, and simple verbs. That's the key.
Now, let's move forward to the middle of the day. When you're at work, school, or outside, you need phrases for everyday situations. For example, at school, you might say, I have a math class today, or let's meet at the library. At work, you could say, I have a meeting at 2 p.m., or can I borrow your pen?
Exactly. Small, polite phrases like, excuse me, could you help me, or thank you very much are very useful. They show respect and friendliness.
And don't forget social phrases like, let's have lunch together, or I'm hungry, want to eat something? These keep conversations natural.
Yes. Now let's look at our second conversation example, this time during lunchtime at work.
Hey, are you free for lunch today?
Yes, I am. Where do you want to go?
How about the new cafe near the office?
Sounds great. I heard they have good sandwiches.
Perfect. I feel like eating something light.
Same here. What time should we go?
Let's go at 12:30. Is that okay?
Yes, that works for me. Do you want to walk or take the bus?
Let's walk. The weather is nice today.
Good idea. By the way, did you finish the report?
Almost. I'll finish it after lunch.
All right, let's eat first, then get back to work.
Deal. Let's meet at the lobby at 12:30.
Okay, see you then.
Notice how natural and friendly that lunchtime conversation sounds.
Yes, and it's full of everyday phrases like, are you free for lunch? And that works for me. These are phrases you can use right away.
Afternoon phrases are often about tasks, plans, or checking in with people. For example, do you need any help? Or let's finish this project today. They are practical and polite.
Right. But everyday life is not just about work or school. After the afternoon, people usually go home, relax, or meet friends. This is when evening phrases come in handy.
Evening phrases include, how was your day? Let's watch a movie. Or, I'm tired. I need to rest. Simple, clear sentences.
Exactly. Now let's move on to our third conversation example, this time in the evening between friends. Hey, how was your day?
It was good, but I'm really tired. How about you?
Same. Work was busy, but I'm glad it's over.
Do you want to relax and watch a movie tonight?
That sounds perfect. What kind of movie do you want?
Maybe a comedy. I need something light and funny.
Great idea. I'll make some popcorn.
Awesome. By the way, are you free tomorrow evening?
I think so. Why?
I'm planning to cook dinner at my place. Want to join?
Of course. That sounds fun. What time?
Around 7.
Perfect. But for now, let's enjoy the movie.
Agreed. Movie night it is.
That's a very natural evening conversation. It's friendly, relaxed, and shows how people make simple plans.
Yes, and notice how phrases like, that sounds perfect, or I'm glad it's over, make the conversation sound real.
Finally, we arrive at night, the end of the day. This is when you use phrases to close conversations, wish someone well, or prepare for sleep.
Exactly. Common phrases include good night, sleep well, see you tomorrow, or sweet dreams. They are short but warm.
And sometimes, before bed, people talk about their plans for the next day. They might say, tomorrow I have class at 9, or don't forget your appointment.
That's right. Let's look at our fourth conversation example. At night between two family members. Good evening. How was your day?
It was busy, but good. How about yours?
Not bad. I'm just tired now.
Are you going to bed soon?
Yes, I think so. I need to wake up early tomorrow.
Same here. By the way, don't forget you have a doctor's appointment in the morning.
Oh, thanks for reminding me. What time is it now? It's almost 10 o'clock. Wow, it's late. I'll get ready for bed.
All right, sleep well.
Good night. Sweet dreams. Good night. See you in the morning. And that's how simple nighttime phrases can be. They are short, polite, and friendly.
From morning greetings to goodnight wishes, you now have a full set of English phrases for everyday life.
Yes, and practicing these daily will make your English more natural and automatic.
Remember, the key is to repeat them, use them, and make them part of your real routine.
So, tomorrow morning, instead of just thinking in your own language, try to say, "Good morning. Did you sleep well?"
And at night, remember to say, good night, sleep well.
These are small steps, but they build strong English skills.
And that's why we call this episode From Morning to Night, because every part of your day can be practiced in English.
Exactly. And with time, it becomes natural.
So keep practicing and keep listening.
You're doing great. As we come to the end of today's episode, let's take a moment to think about what we've learned together. We started our day with morning greetings like, "Good morning," "Did you sleep well?" and "What's your plan for today?" These are small but powerful phrases that set a positive tone for your day.
Then we moved into the afternoon, where we practice useful expressions for school, work, and lunchtime. Phrases such as, "Are you free for lunch?" or "That works for me," help you sound natural when making plans with friends or colleagues.
In the evening, we explored phrases that make conversations warm and friendly, like, "How was your day?" or "That sounds perfect." These are expressions that not only show interests, but also build stronger connections with the people around you.
And finally, we ended with nighttime phrases. Simple but caring expressions such as good night, sleep well, or see you tomorrow. They might seem small, but they leave a lasting impression of kindness and thoughtfulness.
Remember, language is not only about grammar and vocabulary. It's about connection, emotion, and daily life. These phrases can help you live your day in English step by step from the moment you wake up until the moment you go to sleep.
So here's your challenge. Tomorrow, try to use at least one of today's phrases in your real life. Say good morning to a friend, or see you tomorrow before you leave someone. Each time you do it, you become more confident and fluent.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us here at Simple English Space. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep making English part of your everyday life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss other videos.
Until next time, goodbye and take care.